Hello and welcome back to Ashley O Live. Today I'm coming to you live from a car wash, and I'm a person who likes to multitask. So when I was in Target yesterday, I was going to get the press-on nails that I like, the Impress ones. I noticed that there was several new brands of like press-on nails that you can get, even the ones that are like the sticker ones that are actual polish. They were selling those at Target and I'd never seen those before. So there's a lot of stuff that I want to try out. But while I'm here, I have to just sit here and do nothing. So I thought I would try out these nails, one of the new ones that I saw. So we're just gonna play with them and I'm gonna tell you how I like them, and then another day I'll do the other ones and tell you how I like those. So these nails that I found are by Ardell. They're called Nail Addict, which I think I am. And if you know and have been following me for a while, you know that I love the Ardell lashes. So hopefully I love these just as much. So this comes with the nails, the glue, the little cuticle push, and a little cleaner, and the vial. Okay, one little thing I can tell you right now that I already don't like is the fact that, can you see that they're numbered here where they were laid? And I couldn't even grab them out of here. I had to dump them into there. They don't have a number on the back of the nail, so you can match them up easily, which it's not like the end of the world, but I'm not such a fan. Okay, so I am all about the mixing and the matching of the nail colors, glitter, not glitter. I love it. But I found the second thing that I'm not liking about these nails, and it's making me so sad. None of these nails have a matching partner. There's no two glitter pinkies that are the same. There's no two index fingers that color that are the same. Like, there's not a pair that match. They're all mismatched, which is fine, and I'm gonna wear them and I'm sure I'm gonna like it, but I guess I just don't like the fact that I don't have the option to match if I want to. Almost done. 2 more nails to go. I am done. Nails on. I mean, they're fun. I normally don't do them so pointy. That's not really my thing. I'm probably going to file them down later, just to more of like a square tip. But I do think the colors are cool, and I like it. I just, you know, I don't think these are my favorite. I don't know if I'll buy them again. Actually, I know that I won't, but they're fun to try. I keep this in my purse in case a nail pops off. I can glue it back on. Or if a nail pops off and I don't know where it popped off to, I can grab a new nail and glue that back on. So don't throw these away. I must say that I do not highly recommend these. I like the idea of them. I like the designs that they had to choose from. I picked these because I thought it was kind of Valentine's Day-y, and we're coming up on Valentine's Day, but they're just not my favorite. I like the Impress ones better, the ones that I use all the time. And I also like, if you're gonna glue them on, I like the Kiss ones better than these. So that's my review on these Ardell Nail Addict nails. There's something better out there. So now that you don't have to run out and buy these, all you have to do is make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. All right, let's go check on the status of my car. Almost done. I'm outside. It's kind of like a little tropical paradise out here. I've been stuck inside. It was too busy out here and I wanted to do my nails, so now that I'm done, I can sit outside and enjoy the sun.